So you don't need this bit on. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jake Sullivan here in the audio room where we box and review cool stuff almost every single day. Like, it happens every single day. And I want to give you guys a demo of my speakers here. This is my home theater setup. So I got two Pioneer DM40Ds up there, two of my JBL Control 1s. Yes, I still have one of the E-Audios. I broke one of them, which is right here. Yay. And yeah, so how are we going to get music? Through YouTube. So I use this receiver here. This is the RX V363 from Yamaha. I'm going to try it with a bit of Datsik, actually. Datsik's one of my favorite dubstep artists. Gonna start at 8 and then work our way up to the top.
When daily dust gets in the way, it's time for Flash! Effective on 100% of dust, it works like a powerful magnet to trap and lock. Game over for dust! Flash dust magnets, back to clean.
So yeah, let me put this mic on the stand here.
Let the music do the rest. Don't stop moving till you feel it. You gon' shake that ass until your fucking face collapse. So if you're feeling good, you better put your hands up. Yeah, put your hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Yeah, it's time to party, man. And we ain't trying to stop. Turn the volume up until the fucking scene up.
So what this receiver has is two of these.
Don't stop till the fucking speaker block.
We'll swap all the speakers. You know what? So yeah, these are the best bits of kit I've ever got. This goes really loud. Now, of course, I got my Alien speakers. These are the speakers before these ones are there. That was Pioneers. This is just these. Let's combine all the speakers.
Don't stop till somebody call the cops.
This has got some good bass right here, the song. Let's turn the sub up. And so you guys hear it. sounds a bit bassy, but it works. Yeah, so I had to pause it so it doesn't scare, so the adverts don't scare the little crap out of me. But yeah, it does sound cool. And yes, the sub is in fact one of the M Audio BX8s because I blew the subwoofer apparently, which was a Yamaha SWP 130, which is the amp on the back. If you turn it around, I'm not gonna spin it around because I got all my wires hooked up. So yeah, I hope you like this demo. I am feeling this setup. Of course, sometimes I use this little guy here. This is my little Bluetooth receiver. And yeah, it's one of a kind. It's got two RCAs on the back, a 3.5 millimeter jack on the back. You gotta put on one of these if you're using little handheld on one of the little things. Little guys, just in case they clip or you get plosives. You know what? Let me know in the comments. What do you think sounds better? The DJI Mic Mini